Step away from the window. I just talked to your boss. He ain't happy.
What else is new?
Maybe you should reconsider the whole burglar thing.
If I was a blonde named Jessica, would you still think I was a burglar?
Ma'am, you're trying to jimmy the window.
Good point.
Why were you trying to get in to turn on the porch lights anyway?
I was trying to see the lighting conditions.
This fraternity's on my beat. Trust me, the porch lights are blinding.
Are you saying that because it's true or because you want me to lose my case?
I got no dog in your fight. I might have, but NYPD wasn't interested.
Wait, what?
I was involved tracking the suspect that night. We picked up some guy that fit the description, radioed into the NYPD. They said they'd already got the guy. We cut our guy loose.
Did you turn your paperwork over to the prosecutor?
Of course.
You withheld this.
It was misfiled.
Seriously, Hammond?
Counsel, address the court, not each other.
I just showed the victim this photo. She says it's not him.
You know that doesn't matter. My client's face is cemented in her brain because of that ridiculous show-up.
Counselors, I said address yourselves to me.
Your Honor, this is a clear Brady violation. I want sanctions. Dismiss the case.
Mr. Hammond, did you know that another person had been detained?
No, I did not.
Bullshit. It's
Oh,
the reason
Miss
why he offered my
Sullivan.
client 3 years, because he knew if I found out, his case would disappear.
One more curse word from you, and I will hold you in contempt. That's like adult timeout, but worse. Now you can argue all of this to a jury.
That is not enough. My client has been in jail for 9 months.
Stop throwing a temper tantrum.
Your Honor, how many people are in Attica right now because the prosecution didn't forget to black out a witness's address?
One more word, Miss
This
Sullivan.
is a joke. The DA's office does this all the time. I expect it from a prick like Hammond, but not from you. You are supposed to care. We are not processing widgets. These are human beings. I mean, why are we even bothering with the trial at all? Why not just take them out back and hang them from a tree?
Miss Sullivan, you are in contempt. Officer Johnson, could you please escort her to lockup?